How to buy Safemoon. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to buy Safemoon in a very easy way. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. Before we show you how to buy Safemoon, let's see what exactly is Safemoon. Safemoon protocol is a decentralized finance DeFi token. According to the Safemoon website, Safemoon has three functions that take place during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Safemoon protocol is a combination of RFI tokenomics and an auto liquidity generating protocol. According to an article, Safemoon plans to develop a non-fungible token, NFT, exchange, as well as charity projects and crypto educational apps. John Carney is the CEO at Safemoon, according to his Twitter profile, and Safemoon was launched on March 8, 2021. The Safemoon white paper notes that a big problem in the emerging DeFi industry is the existence of high APY LP-farms that don't have easy access for newcomers to the space. With Safemoon, they aim to use the idea of static rewards, making the reward conditional upon the volume of the token being traded, in order to remove any pressure on the token that could occur when tokens are sold. As well, the white paper notes that their reflect mechanism adds incentive for Safemoon holders to keep their tokens for longer, or HODL. Safemoon's automatic LP also adds stability to the protocol by providing a price floor/cushion for token holders. Safemoon's manual burn strategy also helps Safemoon token holders in the long term, according to their white paper. The Safemoon white paper describes the following: a total supply of 1 quadrillion, with 223 trillion burn dev tokens, and a fair launch supply of 777 trillion. The Safemoon protocol, according to the white paper, works in the following way: in each trade, the transaction is taxed with a fee of 10%, which is cut in half. While 5% of the fee is redistributed to all of the token holders at the time, the other 5% is then split in half again, with 50% sold by the contract into BNB, and the remaining 50% automatically paired with the aforementioned BNB and added to PancakeSwap as a liquidity pair. How is the Safemoon network secured? The Safemoon white paper has the following plan for the safety of its protocol. The developer burned all tokens in the dev wallet before launch. There was a fair launch on DX sale. The LP is locked on DX Locker for 4 years, and an LP is generated with every trade and locked on PancakeSwap. As of 2021, you can purchase Safemoon on PancakeSwap and Bitmart. Currently, Safemoon is being ranked 2430 on CoinMarketCap and has recently surged a hefty 83.52% at the time of writing. Safemoon has been listed on a number of crypto exchanges. Unlike other main cryptocurrencies, it cannot be directly purchased with fiat money. However, you can still easily buy this coin by first buying Bitcoin from any large exchanges and then transfer to the exchange that offers to trade this coin. In this video, we will walk you through in detail the steps to buy Safemoon. Step 1. Register on Coinbase. You will have to first buy one of the major cryptocurrencies, usually either Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH. We will use Coinbase here as it is one of the largest crypto exchanges that accept fiat deposits. Use the link below to register at Coinbase, and you will receive a free amount of $10 worth of BTC after buying $100 worth of cryptos. Step 2. Buy coins with fiat money. Once you've finished the KYC process, you will be asked to add a payment method. Here you can either choose to provide a credit/debit card or use a bank transfer. You will be charged higher fees when using cards, but you will also make an instant purchase, while a bank transfer will be cheaper but slower, depending on the country of your residence. Some countries will offer instant cash deposits with low fees, such as HODL in some European countries. Now you are all set. Click the trade button at the top left, choose the coin you want to buy, and confirm your transaction. And congrats, you've just made your first crypto purchase. Step 3. Transfer your cryptos to an altcoin exchange. But we are not done yet. Since Safemoon is an altcoin, we need to transfer our coins to an exchange that Safemoon can be traded. Here we will use Bitmart as our exchange. Bitmart is a popular exchange to trade altcoins, and it has a large number of tradable altcoins pairs. Use the link below to register your new account. After going through a similar process as we've done before with Coinbase, you will be advised to set up 2FA authentication as well. Finish it as it adds extra security to your account. Step 4. Deposit BTC to exchange. Depending on the policies of the exchange, you might be required to go through another KYC process. This should usually take you from 30 minutes to possibly a few days maximum. though the process should be straightforward and easy to follow. Once you're done with it, you should have full access to your exchange wallet. If this is your first time making a crypto deposit, the screen here may look a bit scary, but don't worry, it's simpler than making a bank transfer. At the box on the right, you will see a string of random numbers saying BTC address. This is a unique public address of your Bitcoin wallet at Bitmart, and you can receive Bitcoin by giving this address to the person to send you the funds. Since we are now transferring our previously bought Bitcoin on Coinbase to this wallet, click on Copy Address or right-click on the full address and click Copy to grab this address to your clipboard. Now head back to Coinbase, go to the portfolio page, and click on Bitcoin on your asset list, then click on Send on the right. Under the recipient field, paste the wallet address in your clipboard. For security consideration, you should always check if both addresses are matching. It is known that there is certain computer malware that would alter the content in your clipboard into another wallet address, and you will be essentially sending funds to another person. Click Send to proceed. You should receive a confirmation email instantly. Click on the confirmation link in the email and your coins are on the way to Bitmart. Now go back to Bitmart and head to your exchange wallets. Don't worry if you haven't seen your deposit here. It is probably still being verified in the blockchain network, and it should take a few minutes for your coins to arrive. Depending on the network traffic condition of the Bitcoin network, during busy times it may take even longer. You should receive a confirmation notification from Bitmart once your deposit has arrived. And you are now finally ready to purchase Safemoon. Step 5. Trade Safemoon. Go back to Bitmart, then go to exchange. Boom! What a view! The constantly flicking figures might be a bit scary, but relax, let's get our heads around this. In the right column there is a search bar. Now make sure BTC is selected as we are trading BTC to altcoin pairs. Click on it and type in Safemoon. You should see Safemoon/BTC, select that pair, and you should see a price chart of Safemoon/BTC in the middle of the page. Below there is a box with a green button that says Buy Safemoon. Inside of the box, choose the market tab here, as that is the most straightforward type of buying orders. You can either type in your amount or choose what portion of your BTC deposit you would like to spend on buying by clicking on the percentage buttons. When you have confirmed everything, click Buy Safemoon. Voila! You have finally bought Safemoon. Apart from the exchanges above, there are a few popular crypto exchanges where they have decent daily trading volumes and a huge user base. This will ensure you will be able to sell your coins at any time, and the fees will usually be lower. It is suggested that you also register on these exchanges, since once Safemoon gets listed there it will attract a large number of trading volumes from the users there, which means you will be having some great trading opportunities. Last step, store Safemoon securely in hardware wallets. If you are planning to keep hold of your Safemoon for a considerable long time, you may want to explore ways of keeping it safe. Although Binance is one of the safest cryptocurrency exchanges, there had been hacking incidents and funds were lost. Because of the very nature of the wallets and exchanges, they will always be online, hot wallets as we call them, therefore exposing certain aspects of vulnerabilities. The safest way of storing your coins to date is always putting them into a type of cold wallets, where the wallet will only have access to the blockchain, or simply go online when you send out funds, reducing the chances of hacking incidents. A paper wallet is a type of free cold wallet. It's basically an offline generated pair of public and private addresses, and you will have it written somewhere and keep it safe. However, it is not durable and is susceptible to various hazards. A hardware wallet here is definitely a better option than cold wallets. They are usually USB-enabled devices that store the key information of your wallet more durably. They are built with military-level security, and their firmware is constantly maintained by their manufacturers and thus extremely safe. Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X and are the most popular options in this category. These wallets cost around $50 to $100 depending on the features they are offering. If you are holding your assets, these wallets are a good investment in our opinion. That's it for today, guys. We hope that you now understand how to buy Safemoon. We will see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.